Warning, we're about to do something very stupid today. I'm excited. Burping with helium. Have you ever heard of it? Me either, but let's do it. I haven't figured out if this is safe. I haven't even figured out if anyone's done it. I'm just doing it.
I don't know.
If it's gonna work. Fuck. I did it!
Yeah.